been a really great show. We've had some fantastic conversations, some great panels and discussions. We've really seen how AI is transforming areas. I was on a panel with Johnson & Johnson looking at how AI is transforming healthcare in terms of surgery and procedures and training. It's really making a very big difference there. We've had some great panels on smart cities, looking at how AI is impacting smart cities and decision making and serving the underserved in cities. We've also had some really great conversations about how AI is really moving to the edge of the network, and is really changing the sort of capabilities and kind of applications that can be driven by IoT in areas like fleet management, transportation, healthcare, and other key markets, industrial and manufacturing, and other key markets as well. So it's been a very insightful show. I think for the first time we're really starting to see the AI and IoT worlds come together. We're starting to see greater maturity in the IoT space, and we're starting to see more intelligence moving to the edge of the network, facilitating many of these new kinds of applications. So I think it's been a really great show. Feedback has been fantastic. Lots of great insights from people. Lots of quality discussions. So it's been really, a really exciting and useful show for everyone that we've spoken to on the show floor.